welcome back to my channel. So this time I have come up with a very different and amazing recipe which we are going to make out with mangoes. So this video is about mango crumble. So as you can understand by the name itself, this particular dish contains of two main components, that is, one is the fruit filling and one is the crumble. So today we are going to make with mangoes. You can make with any other fruit also, like mango or raspberries, strawberries, bananas. Any other fruit will go nicely when we are going to make a crumble. So also you can make combination of two fruits together, like bananas and mangoes go well together. Also a combination of mango, blueberry, mango and apple. So you can make with any fruit. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango crumble. So it's a very easy recipe. You just need to prepare both the components and then you just need to assemble in a dish and just bake it. And lastly, you can just have it with ice cream or whipped cream, even with curd. It tastes amazing, and when served warm, it's really very tasty. So let's start with our recipe without wasting any time. We will need fresh mangoes. This is around 3 small mangoes. I have just peeled and diced them. Some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use castor sugar as well. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And we need some flour. To make the topping, we need some flour. I have used all-purpose flour. We need some quick oats, some brown sugar. Again, you can use castor sugar, but brown sugar gives a better taste when we are going to make crumbles. So if you have brown sugar, then please use brown sugar. A pinch of cinnamon. This is a very important ingredient. It adds a very nice flavor to our crumble. So please don't miss cinnamon. If you have nutmeg, then you can also use nutmeg. Lastly, we need some cold butter for this. So firstly, we are going to make our filling. So take a big bowl of mangoes. Pour all your brown sugar into it. Give it a nice toss. Be very gentle. Add lemon juice. Add your flour. Mix until everything is well combined. So your filling is ready. Now keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll add my cinnamon powder into the mango mixture and keep some for sprinkling on top. Now let's make our crumble topping. In a big bowl, put all your flour and your cold butter. Make sure your butter needs to be cold. With your fingertips, just crumble it. Please use your hands for this process. Once it's done, add your oats in the mixture and just mix it. Also add brown sugar. Now mix it with your hand once again. So my crumble is ready. This is how it should look. Everything should be well incorporated. Now let's start assembling. So here's my pan in which I'm going to bake. I have greased it very nicely with butter. Also there is a thin layer of melted butter on the bottom, so do not remove the excess butter. Let's pour in the mango mixture first. You can bake in any tin, like any shape will do. Cover the bottom nicely with the mangoes. So here is my mango filling in the dish. Now we are going to gently sprinkle our crumble on top of it. Make sure you cover all the sides. So this is how it is going to look after assembling. I have sprinkled a very thin layer of crumble on the top. Please do not make a thick layer. Now I'm just going to gently sprinkle my cinnamon, just a bit of it. So this goes in for baking. I have taken out the dish from the oven and my crumble is now baked very nicely. You can see that it has become golden brown in color. So now let's just plate it with some ice cream or some whipped cream also. Let's take out our mango crumble from the dish and place it. As you can see, it's very nicely baked. Also the mangoes and the crumble are very nicely incorporated. Just serve it with some ice cream, like I said before, and it will taste the best. So guys, this is how it's going to look, the final product. Please try at home and let me know how you liked it. Mango crumble. So guys, my mango crumble is ready. I hope you liked my video and I hope I was able to make you understand all the steps very nicely. Still, if you have any queries, then you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can even follow me on Instagram or Facebook by the name The Artistic Desserts. We have our page on Instagram and Facebook. You can ask us questions regarding anything over there also. So please follow us, and also do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and keep liking our videos and keep giving love. Thank you so much for watching. See you until next recipe.